Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to cut the music on a CapCut application by iOS or iPhone. So first thing we have to do now is just click a new project if you have no project yet, but today I would like to take one of my project to be the examples for today's tutorial. And here you can see I already have this video, but then I have no sounds for this video yet. So the things that we have to do first is adding the sounds. How to do that? You just need to go click in audio here, and after that click sounds. If you is so bored with the music that already provided by the CapCut here, you can just use this fire sign to get a recommendation from the CapCut. And now you just need to choose which music that you want to add to. Okay, I think I already find it the best musics before this, kind of good. Okay, and after you found it, you just need to go click plus button here. Okay, and now how to cut it. If you can see here, let's drag it into the end of the clip. You can see when the clip is end, the music is still go on. So the music makes this video take too much time. So this video should be end in 12 seconds, but then the duration become like 3 minutes 30 seconds because of this music. So we need to cut it. So how to cut it? You just need to go click the sound sections, and after the sections become active, you just need to go click split. And after you split, you just need to decide which part that you want to remove. Since we want to remove the rest of the music, you just need to go click delete on it. And now we already have the length that we want that suit with the clip. Yep, perfect. That's the way how to cut music on a CapCut, guys. If you find that this tutorial today is really helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.